You know those summer days that are too nice to waste? My family spent one at a nature park with friends.
Did you get?
Five.
Whoa.
You're five. That one's not
How do they taste,
good. That's
Jaden?
me. Good. I just have to stuff in there. That's it. Okay. So, over there.
Jaden loves wild berries, but Bethany? I don't think she's a fan. It's fine. There's more fun coming.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah, I guess. Oh,
There you go. That's a
Yo.
way to slide right in. Jaden, your shoe is stuck to the net.
you got a fish for your shoe
Good
now.
thing your shoe is floated. That's nice.
Are you feeding them paper towels?
They won't eat it. They're attracted.
Oh, they're attracted to it. Got it.
It was such a beautiful and peaceful spot. Mom's shedding in the shade, kids laughing and playing nearby. It felt like the kind of summer day you wish could last a little longer.
She's been looking forward to showing.
Beautiful.
Yay!
The next stop was the playground with a little waterway. That was just what they needed as the day got hotter.
Woohoo!
Doesn't it look like a heart?
What are you doing on that frog, Nina? Filling up the bucket?
What'd you say?
After a long day, they were ready for food and rest. So we headed to a restaurant for some great family time together.
It was the best day ever.
Mom made today the best day ever.
Seeing my friends. I really miss my friends. Catfish.
Catfish in Korean is Maggie. 그래서 Maggie,
Faggy?
Maggie, Maggie. Maggie. Poop,
Family John.
poop.
Family John.
A few days later, we had a Korean BBQ planned with another family. The morning was quiet and cozy. The kids reading a comic book and playing a board game.
This is cool. It looks like they're moving.
So the card says, place 2 new rows as if you had just built them.
Development cards you can use like whenever you want or something. There are 3 different kinds of cards: night cards, progress cards, and victory point cards. Is his like a progress card?
The board game was pretty tricky with lots of rules to follow, but that's okay. We'll work on it together as a family. Maybe even turn it into a homeschooling project. For now, just enjoying the comic book is perfect for the kids. Dirty, you have to rinse it out.
Jaden's cutting the grass with scissors. You gonna cut the whole lawn? Appa. Appa.
All set.
Look at his design.
My naturalist son gathered pieces of nature to make a flower craft. I'm grateful for his curiosity and creativity, and I hope he keeps learning and growing in his own way. Are you excited about your friends coming? Yeah. Let's make bingsu.
Again?
You don't like it?
I like it.
This is the frozen milk. Break. Milk is smashed. Let's put this bowl. Pour the milk in there. Let's put some ice cream. Put a bunch actually. Just put all frozen blueberries. Shoo. Salted caramel. Shoo. So this is how I served.
I'm not going to wait until the kids.
The kids were having a blast in our backyard water park, jumping off the swing set into the pool like it was the most natural thing. Nobody taught them. They just figured it out and thought, why not? This is like a crown, like
Oh,
a...
that's a ball.
Sasha, you're so lucky to have April. She's so pretty.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't think you're very lucky.
I didn't give it a thought, so I don't know how to answer that.
It's true.
So the guests brought this Korean side dishes. This is like stir-fried squid, which is one of my favorites. This is kids' favorite, seaweed salad. And this is pickled radish, which is good. It will be really good with meat. Wow, it looks fantastic. Golden brown. Yummy, yummy. What a humble dinner meal. A lot of veggies. Only one meat.
That's great. That's what we do.
I actually did another one, squid, yeah, fish. Bon appetito. Can you go gather like perilla leaves as much as you want?
What leaf?
Okay, I'll show you. She's doing a great job. A collagen pack.
That show is him. He refused to eat. When he eats the pork's ear, he feels like he's eating a human ear.
Yeah, it has the same texture if you were to...
That's very true.
It's not like deep fried or anything.
Probably,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's
Steamed
the
and
same
seasoned.
Actually,
Yeah.
You tortured him.
I'm picky. I don't eat extreme.
Very.
Yeah, I mean like,
Extreme food.
yeah. Same thing. How can you miss this spot?
What has he been doing?
But you're right.
We get yelled at for everything. Whatever we have done doesn't really matter much when we have make a mistake and then, oh, whatever, never, or always.
I know, exactly.
You never done this correctly. You always do this way.
It's like you can drive for 10 hours. 9 hours and 58 minutes for flawless driving.
And then like,
But then there's
last
one
minute-
swerve.
you're such a bad
All they
driver.
remember
You're
is
the worst driver in town.
Yeah.
See what happens.
That's all I was remembering the whole trip.
That's why when I asked my son, am I a good driver? He's like, yeah, you are the worst driver in town. Mama is the best driver in town.